In front of me is Samsung Galaxy A25 and today I would like to show you how you can download and apply Rosemary phone. Begin by opening settings and scrolling down just a bit to access display. Then scroll down again, select font size and style, go into font style and tap on download fonts. Finally, you can click on this icon next to Rosemary one to apply it, or click on it and hit install. Then apply it right away or just click on it on the list. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!